We understand that it is not learners who can just think for themselves to say that we're going to be racial towards black learners, but there must be a motivation behind it, because it has happened before.
Ukubandlululana kwabafundi ezikolweni zabantwana bentshaba ezihlukeneko bonakala kuzipha amandla endaweni zePitori.
Ibhlungu impilo yethu esiphilayo la eMayville. Ngazi ukuthi kwenzekala kanjani ukuze sizakale ngoba nje impilo esiphila la ayinhle nesi.
Amaphapho aphezulu ebantwini beCato Crest eThekwini ngemva kokudumuzana kwamapholisa nenilelesi lapho ekubulewe khona abahlali.
The prize money for the MTN8 winning team has been increased from 8 million to 10 million rand.
Iphaliswano le-MTN8 wafa lingezelelwe imali elisekelwe ngayo nge-2 million rands. Njenganje-ke yi-10 million rands esePiringini. Endaweni ngendawo lapho enikhona siyalotshisa begodwa senamukele endabeni zesiNdebele ku-SABC1. Njengoba sinilethela zona zitshisa, indaba ezifika nathi lapha e-studio zithi Israel isahlele ngaphandle komuzi womholi weHamas obuleweko Ismail Haniyeh eGaza. Umbiko uthi kubulewe ababiki indaba ekubalahlangana nomthathi inthombe weAl Jazeera nombiki indaba womhatsho lo. Imininingwane iza kulandela endabeni eziza ngemva kwethu. Nasiraga nendaba umnyango wezefundo eGauteng uqinisekisile bona isikolo sabentazana sePitori Pretoria High School for Girls sesiyiphethile ikambiso yokukhalima kanti imphumela yekambiso le izokumenyezelwa khona maduze nje. Kubizwele ekundleni ekhalimako izolo ebusuku namhlanje abafundi abali-12 besikolweni abathinteka ngensolo zokubandlululana ngokumbala nangokulila ngabafundi abanzima ngokusebenzisa iWhatsApp.
Njengoba niphethiwe ikambiso yokukhalinywa kwabafundi abali-12 wokamehlo njenganje aqale imphumela yekambiso leni.
We are just awaiting for the process to give us a report. The SGB will then have to make sure that the report is ready.
I-EFF ihlome ngombuzo ukuthembeka kwekambiso leni.
We want the second party to join the disciplinary committee of the school so that there must be transparency.
Usomkhandlu wezefundo eGauteng uthi okwanje akukabi nefuneko yokuqatshwa komkhandlu wangeqadi.
If the outcomes are unsatisfactory for those who lodged the grievance, then we can look into it. But in the interim, I do feel that where we are, we can handle the issue properly and actually put an end to it.
Uprincipala wesikolo uPhilippa Erasmus waqatshwa ngo-2018 kanti njenganje ujanyisiwe emsebenzini eminyakeni 3. Nowayenguprincipala ngaphambi kwakhe naye wajanyiswa emsebenzini ngezwe ngoba ukubandlulana ngokumbala ngo-2016. Njenganje umlando uyazibuyelela umkhandlu wabafundi ukhombela bona kube kwabaphatha abatsha.
It can't be that in 30 years of democracy we are still lingering around against what we call discrimination. So we need a new management within the school.
This happened before. It shows that there is a problem within the management itself.
Kunesinye isikole ePitori naso esiphenywa ngensolo zokubandlulana ngokobutshaba.
I am aware in our region of one of our schools that has also had an incident, and we're certainly looking into that and giving support.
Ababelethi bakhonjelwa bona babika izehlakalo zokubandlululana ngokumbala ngokurhaba bangaziqisela amehlo. Nakusesenjalo bunzinzile ubujamo esikolweni esini kanti bezevikeleko namapholisa baphosile ihlo libukhali.
Undunankulu weMpumalanga uMandla Ndlovu uqinisekise abahlali beMpumalanga bona uzokulwa nobulelesi. Abomma nabantwana begodwa avule namathuba wemisebenzi. UNdlovu ubethula inkulumo yokuvulwa kwesibethamthetho sesifunda eMbombela. Uthi uhulumende wesifunda ukulungele ukwehlisa izinga labantu abangasebenzi kwesifundeni esi.
Uhulumende omutsha wesifunda osela kulungela ukwethula indweni beMpumalanga ngesikhathi sekhetho. Hlangana namanye amaqalo ndanzi kuvulwa kwamathuba wemisebenzi, ukuraga umthlago nokulwisana nempilo ebizako le. UNdlovu uthi ukhulumisene nababelani esifundeni esukuthi basekele okhunye kufuze kuliswane nakho bulele sobuthuwelelako abosothenda abazidlela amathenda ngokwathatha ngemphanga kunye nengikhulu zikahulumende ezibandakanyeke ezenzweni zobulelesi.
As part of our efforts to curb crime, we'll deploy at least 1,200 crime prevention wardens who will assist to enhance safety and security in our communities. These wardens will be trained and placed in crime hotspots all over the province.
Nebusake esifundeni esi ukwamukela ukuzibophelela kwakandunankulu ebantwini beMpumalanga.
Indeed, as the ANC in Mpumalanga were highly motivated and encouraged and were that the Premier has delivered.
Inhlangano eziphikisako zithe abekunalitha alithwileke uNdlovu ekulumeni yakhe.
We are really disappointed with the Premier because he was referencing on his predecessor and he kept on saying that projects are still going to be completed.
For the past 30 years, we have been talking and we are not changing anything. When you look on the ground, nothing is happening.
This speech was a wish list. As usual, it lacks plan and strategy behind it. The Premier didn't tell us how is he going to implement the strategy to curb poverty in the province, and it didn't dwell much on the fight against corruption and crime.
I'm disappointed that when he spoke about mines and opening of mines, he didn't mention the Dili mine issue.
uNdlovu uthembisa ukuletha umbiko ngemva kwamalanga alikhulu ase-ofisini.
Amalunga omphakathi weCato Crest eThekwini athi asekela umsebenzi owenziwa amapholisa uqeda izenzo zobulelesi. Lokhu kulandela ukudumuza naphakathi kwamapholisa nabantu ekusolwa ukuba zinlelesi izolo ebusuku. Abasolwa abahlanu badunyuzwe babulawa nabadumuzana namapholisa.
Kudumuzana okuhlanganisa inlelesi naboyisemkhulu endaweni esadlule kukhulu sezenzo zobulelesi. Ngelesibili ebusuku amaphika ahlukahlukeneko kwamapholisa agole inlelesi ebezizifihla emakhiweni emafleets. Amapholisa athi afika ahlangatshezwa zinkulu ezivele enlelesini. Amapholisa avulela nawo azibuyiselela. Abasolwa abahlanu bebafunelwa amacala ambalwa afaka hlangana ukubulala kunye nokudlelezela. Akadathi sekaphilele evalweni ngenxa yobulelesi obudlangileko endaweni le.
Ngoba ubugebengu sekuyinto engalawuleki la. Wonke umuntu usesoka lapha sikakhona abona ukuthi iCato Crest yazokwenza indawo ukuthiwa iphenduka umuma abaphanga. Lokho thina singakudinga. So ingakho sithi amaphoyisa angene eCato Crest azosebenza.
Ibhlungu impilo yethu esiphilayo la eMayville. Ngazi ukuthi kwenzekala kanjani ukuze sizakale kuba nje impilo esiphila la ayinhle neze.
Amapholisa athi abasolwa bafunyenwe nengidi ezingasisemthethweni ezifana ne-AK-47 rifle nezincane.
We have identified the suspects who were killed. They are the ones we were looking for. But we believe that there are more because in the robberies that they were committing, they were in groups of more than 5.
Amapholisa akhombela umphakathi bona usebenzisane nawo ekulweni nobulelesi. Pheze basolwa abali-14 ababuleweko esifundeni ezehlakalweni ezihlukeneko evekeni yinye.
Umqozululi wepolitiki uDokotela uLevi Ndou uthi ikomiti ephethe ku-ANC kuzokufanele isebenzise imiphumela yekhetho layo lanonyaka njengomhlahlandlela ozokudlalela ukurera amano ukuyibuyisa nokuyiqinisa. Lokhu njengombana ibandla elikhulu eliphethe iANC lihlela umhlangano wamalanga amathathu oyokuthoma ngelesine bese kuthi ngosonto kulandele ilikghutla. Nasibuya Ntolo.
We do not know at this stage what's the reason. Do they want to take over the sole responsibility of distributing the unleaded and other petrol and diesel?
Ilizwe leBotswana lila ngeSouth Africa ngokuxhayelelwa ipetroli yomhlobo we-93 unleaded. Zisekhona indaba kanti nazikuphundile uyazifumana ku-YouTube, ku-Facebook naku-SABC+. Abantu bePalestina abase-West Bank elawulwa i-Israel bazwakalise ukuthukwa nokurareka ngendaba zokubulawa komholi weHamas u-Ismail Haniyeh. uHaniyeh ubulawele Iran namhlanje kuseni. Estatementini esihlukeneko abogadi beHamas ne-Iran baqinisekise ukubulawa kwakhe. Zamva nje ngezokuthi kube nesahlelo ngaphandle komuzi kaHaniyeh lapho ekubulewe khona abantu ekubalwa hlangana nababika indaba.
uHaniyeh ubulawa ngemva kwama-awa ambalwa akhambela umnyanya wokufungiswa kwakamengameli omutsha we-Iran. Umholi weHamas lo ubonwe zinithunywa eziningi njengomholi obekangqono khulu nakalinganiswa nabanye abaholi benhlangano ezisekelwa yiIran ngaphakathi eGaza. Umhleli wendaba zangaphandle kwa-SABC uSophie Mokoena uthi uHaniya bekangasesemkhulumisaneni yokuthula kwaphela kodwana bekangumkhulumisano omkhulu begodu obekabonakala athabile ukukhuthaza iHamas bona ibeke phasi ingikhali.
He was able to convince the entire Hamas leadership to kind of make compromises in terms of some of the sticky issues when they were negotiating ceasefire agreements. You know that the Prime Minister of Israel, Benjamin Netanyahu, was in the United States of America last week where he met with Kamala Harris and also Joe Biden, the current leadership of the U.S., and they both indicated to him that they would like to see a situation where a ceasefire is reached and therefore the hostages are released.
Gandina kusenjalo ukubulawa kukaIsmail Haniya kungasusa ipi engabangela ukuthi kube khona izenzo zokuzibuyiselela nekuyinto ezokuphazamisa imikhulumiswano yokuletha ukuthula.
Abashayeli beBotswana bahlaga nokuthola ipetrol i-93 unleaded. Ilizwe lisola iSouth Africa ngombana lithola ipetrol eSouth Africa pha. Kanti lapha bayithola khona kuthiwa abatsho kuyalungiswa. Njenganje iBotswana State Owned Limited ngiyo yodwa ekhona ukuthola ipetrol nokusabalalisela abathengi imbaseli. Mhlapha nje iBotswana Oil Limited ikhuphe ikontraka ezokusiza ngombana iqaye nomsebenzi omningi.
Ikampani ehluza ioli inatref beyilungiswa kanti bekulindeleke ukuthi umsebenzi khona uphele ekupheleni kwakwamgwengweni nonyaka nje. Nanyana kunjalo ikampani ehluza ioli le sola ikabuyele emsebenzini begodu lokho ngikho kubangela ukuthi iBotswana itlhayelelo zimbaseli. Kodwana abosomnotho bathi umraro lo kungenzeka ikibe wenziwa nangani ukuchuguluka kwemithetho yokuthengiswa kwembaseli eyenziwe nonyaka nje ngosihlabantangana elizweni leli eze namachuguluka batsho inkampani zingakwazi kwaphela ukuthenga kuBotswana Oil Limited ekuyikampani lawulwa mbuso.
Problem now, if you have a state-owned enterprises which would like to take control of the delivering of the product, it can be a situation that a lot of hiccups and challenges and problems logistically can lead to a scarcity in a product.
iBotswana Oil Limited ikhuphe ithenda yokukhetha ikampani ezoyisiza ngokusabalalisa ioli kodwana abosomnotho bathi lokhu kunemibuzo eminingi.
We do not know at this stage what's the reason. Do they want to take over the sole responsibility of distributing the unleaded and other petrol and diesel?
Nakusenjalo abachayeli beBotswana baqalene nomraro wokuthela ipetrol 95 weni yepetrol 93. iBotswana ithola imbaseli eSouth Africa, iNamibia kunye neMozambique.
Kezemali iranda liqinile nalinganiswa nezinye imali ezikulu. Inqhema ze-PSL zibuka ukungezelelwa kwengidi embili zamaranda emalini yokufunyenwa siqhema esiyokuthumba ibhigiri ye-MTN 8 nonyaka nje. Lokho kumenyezelwe ngokusemthethweni namhlanje eJohannesburg.
Bawubone lamuntu ukuthi
isiqhema esiyokuthumba ibhigiri ye-MTN 8 wafa. Nonyaka nje siyokhamba nemali engangemali emaranda azingidi ezilithumi.
It is a great pleasure to announce that the prize money for the MTN 8 winning team has been increased from 8 million to 2 million rand.
Abavikeli bebhigiri le Orlando Pirates ithi lindile iSuperSport United.
We want to challenge for the league, but we also, we don't want to shy away with such opportunities as the MTN 8.
Ukapteni weSuperSport United uThulani Hlatshwayo uthi sebafuna ukuba zinkutani zase-MTN8.
With all the experience that we've added towards the team, you know, compared to last team that we had, I think we stand a chance of going to the next round.
Umbanduli ophakanyiswe mhlaba kuMamelodi Sundowns uManqoba Mnqithi uthi zobunani ngiqhema zokukhuthazwa kungezelelwa kwemali eyabelwe ibhigiri.
It will be nice for me to win this one because I won the first one with Golden Arrows. And now it's the first time again it's 10 million rands.
Kodwa umbanduli we-TS Galaxy uthi akuthwenyi ukuthi bangezelele emalini. Bona bazimisele ukuthi bathumbe wonke amaphaliswano nembhigiri zayo.
As a coach, we like to improve the game. We like to improve our game to win.
Ingezelelwe nemali eyokuthola siqhema ngasinye esikhona ukungena ehelweni lenqhema ezibunane lezi. Yasuka ku 800,000 rand yafika ku 1 million rand.
Kanti ekhasini lethu le-Facebook sibuze ukuthi ukhamba nasiphi isiqhema sephaliswano le-MTN8 wafa. Asiqala umbono wakho mbukeli uyalandela.
Obvious and automatically ibhakaniya liyazambela nje kamnandi.
Lapha balkinanga nabo top 8 so ngiyaba lebhakabhaka ngibona izophumelela.
Mina sichema sami Kaizer Chiefs asikho ku top 8 mara intawo zokhama na TS Galaxy.
Iqembu engihamba nalo mncintiswano abafana be-TS Galaxy ngithi nje siyadumuza.
Ibhakaniya level of Super Sport kusha nje amanqako amabili.
Bona-ke sengiyeke ngikunothise ukuthi i-Orlando Pirates mangabe ihlangane ne-Super Sport ke kubenzima kakhulu. Ngenzeka nje kutholakala ukuthi iyadliwa i-Orlando Pirates.
Ngithi nje noma kanjani #amasandawane azojabula.
I-TS Galaxy ukuthi Stellenbosch singejayela siyasidla njalo nje.
Yinto ehle khulu ukuthi ke imidlalo ye-MTN8 yabuya iphela vekele ukukhulungise ukuthi isiqhema sami se-Kaizer Chiefs asikho ku-MTN8.
TS Galaxy ya go rapa papadi ka dino tse pedi go lefela go sehlopha sa Stellenbosch FC.
Pirates mntakwethu ayisontanga yabo uzawuzibonakalisa uzawubona kuzawuqhunya ithuba.
Umbono ngeumbukeli SABC ayizokuthweswa umlando ukuziphendulela ngombono wombukeli. Njenganje asiqale ubujamo bezulu. Akwande busayi ngiziphi nilemukiso uziphathela umbukeli namhlanje?
Akwande Thandeka ngibone lapha kunesilemukiso semjijo eduma kumbi ngezinye indawo zangaleke ngePumalanga Kapa uthindeke nesifunda sangaleke ngeFreystata. Sale sesizicala ke ngokunabileko. Salotshisa ekhaya ngelesithathu endambama. Sibona lapha ke kuvulekile izinkomba zomoya lezi ozibonakala ngejingalanga yenaga yeSouth Africa. Kuthi ke lapha kilezi ndawo ezithinda lapha khulukhulu ke iMahikeng nangale endaweni zangale kubo Bloemfontein litholakala izulu nge30% nakezinye indawo ePumalanga ukuchinga lapha ke esifundeni sangale ke ngeLimpopo. Sibona ke ukuthi kusasa kunjani sibona lapha ke amazinga wezulu athi uqina nge60% kilezi ndawo ke kuthindeka isifunda sangale ke ngeFreystata ukwehlela enzasi kilezi ndawo zePumalanga Kapa njengoba sijule nje ukuthi sikhona nesilemukiso esizasibona ke ngokusasa lokho kusako sibona lapha imjijo eduma kumbi nomoya ke bonakala ke kulezi ndawo zangale ke ngeNorthern Cape okutsho khona ke ukuthi ngebanga lawo umoya loya ngatholakala ukuthi ngaba nemlilo ke yemango kilezi ndawo abantu bacheche ke bayelele khulukhulu ke laba babhemako ke sicalele ukuthi ke anjani amazinga okuchisa sithoma lapha ngesifunda sangeGauteng kuthoma kulale kuvuke kumakhaza ngokuhamba kwesikhathi ke iBrongoro isolo kwemakhaza nange-19 ngemva kwamadina iPitori buya nganeno ke yona ke nge-21 iJohannesburg umoyana usazwakala nangemva kwamadina nge-20 lapha ke eLimpopo sibona ke izudlwana njengoba khe salibona nje isifunda silala sivuke simakhaza iMukopane iyafuthumala nge-25 ukuthi lapha ePhalaburwa i-24 iMusina i-25 ngezinye ke indawo sibona lapha ke kupholile sokucala isifunda sangaleke ngeMpumalanga nakhona sibonekile ukuthi kunamakhefezana wezulu isifunda sangaleke ngeMpumalanga eMalahleni makhazana pheze imini yonke iMiddelburg ibuya nganeno ke nge-20 ngemva kwamadina sikhukhuza ke sona sifuthumele nge-25 ngemva kwamadina nokho ke ekseni nebusuku kumakhaza abantu bambathe bafuthumele KwaZulu Natal siyabona ke ukuthi Durban pholile nangemva kwamadina nge-21 iRichards Bay nge-23 sibona lapha ke iLadysmith nge-21 Kokstad imakhaza kukhulu ebusuku nekseni nge-4 iPumalanga Kapa ke silibonile izulu kanti ke isifunda siyaphola ngemva kwamadina kanti ke lapha ke emakhanda kubangathi Makhaza ipheze imini yonke nalapha ke eWillowmore asiyoqalela ngale ke ngeTshingalanga Kapa kuMakhaza eCape Town imini yonke kuMakhaza ke nabo Mossel Bay pheze isifunda sonke siMakhaza kungcunywana ke lapha endaweni zabo Beaufort West nge21 ngemva kwamadina siyoqala ukuthi kunjani ke ngale ngeNorthern Cape kunjalo iUppington ifuthumele nge24 iKimberley nge25 kuthi ke ezinye indawo njengalapha ke eSutherland abantu bambathe bafuthumele nangemva kwamadina kuseseMakhaza lapha ke eFreystata siyabona ke ukuthi likhona izudlwana njengoba ke sabona nje ngamazinga we20 angithi lapha we60 bese ke isifunda nokho ke ngemva kwamadina sithi ukufuthumala ke ezinye indawo ke kupholile iNorthwest nayo ke inezulu sibona isifunda sithi ke ukufuthumala lapha eRustenburg nge25 ngezinye indawo sipholile abantu ke soloko siyatsho ukuthi imbatha ufuthumele sibona negodu ngesikhathi esilandelako.